Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm here to tell yourself if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to somebody that needs to improve visual skill math. So alright, let's look at the question on the board today. It says if 321 base 4 is divided by what? 23 base 4 and leaves a remainder r. Okay, what is the value of r? Okay, so we want to look for the remainder, which is what? R. Alright, so there are two methods we are going to use to solve this, but let's start with what method 1. Okay, in a separate video, I'm going to solve using method 2. Alright, so all we need to do is we are going to convert this and this, okay, which is even much simpler to base 10, okay. Then when we divide it, whatever we get, as you remember, we're going to convert it back to what base 4. So let's do that. Let me convert this to base 10 and this to base 10. So our 3, 2, 1 base 4, converting it to base what? 10 is I'm going to use 4 to multiply this. That will give me what? 12. Okay, I'm going to add this, which is 2. That will give us what we have is 14. I'm going to times again by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. We have 1. 4 times 1 is 4. If we add it up is 5. Now we are going to bring this down. So plus 1. So we have is what? 57 base 10. Alright, so our 3, 2, 1 base 4 is 57 what? Base 10. Now this is one method of conversion. You can also use the what? Expansion method. Now let's do for this. I have 20 what? 3 base 4. I'm going to times this by 4. It's 8 plus. I'm going to bring this down, which is 3. If we add this, we are going to get 11. So if we convert to 3 base what? 4, we are going to get 11 base what? 10. Now that we've gotten this and this, we can now divide. The equation says if this is divided by this, so it means we have 57 base 10 divided by what? 11 base what? 10. Alright, so let's apply our long division to do that. Now our long division, okay, we are going to have it like this. So I have 11 and I have what? 57. Okay, if you wish, you can put the base 10 or you can leave it that way because even if you have it this way, it's still in base 10. Alright, so 11 into 57, I think we have is 5 times. 5 times is close. So 5 times 11 is 55. If we subtract this, we are going to get 2. But our 2 is in base 10. Alright? So all we need to do is we want to convert 2 to base 10. So we are going to convert, okay, 2 base 10 to what base 4. So how do you do that? You have 2 and we're going to divide by 4. So 4 divided 2 is 0, remainder what? 2. Okay? So we have just nothing up here, so we're left with just 2. So our 2 base 10 is also what? 2 base what? 4. So 2 base 4 gives us the value of r. So r is what? 2 base 4. Okay? So that gives us a simple solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share the link of the channel to some family member, friend, or student. I'll see you guys in my next video.